Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be solving the equation x divided by 6 minus 1 equals 2. We will go through each step together to find the value of x. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by looking at the given equation. The equation is x divided by 6 minus 1 equals 2. Our goal is to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation. First, we need to get rid of the minus 1 on the left-hand side to simplify the equation. To do this, we will add 1 to both sides of the equation. This action is based on the principle that whatever we do to one side of the equation, we must do to the other side to keep the equation balanced. So, we start with x divided by 6 minus 1 equals 2. Add 1 to the left-hand side, which cancels out the minus 1, and do the same on the right-hand side. Now the expression on the left-hand side becomes x divided by 6, and the expression on the right-hand side becomes 2 plus 1. So x divided by 6 equals 3. Step 2. At this point, we have simplified the equation to x divided by 6 equals 3. Now our goal is to isolate the variable x. To do this, we need to eliminate the division by 6 on the left-hand side of the equation. We can achieve this by performing the opposite operation of division, which is multiplication. So we will multiply both sides of the equation by 6. By doing this, the division by 6 and the multiplication by 6 will cancel each other out, leaving us with just x. Let's proceed. Take x divided by 6 equals 3 and multiply the left-hand side by 6. This action cancels out the division by 6, so what's left is just x. Now we must do the same multiplication on the right-hand side to keep the equation balanced. Multiply 3 by 6. 3 times 6 equals 18. The new simplified expression becomes x equals 18. In conclusion, we have isolated x and found that the value of the variable x is 18. Step 3. At this point, we have simplified the equation to x equals 18. That is the final step. We have successfully isolated the variable x and determined that its value is 18. To summarize, we started with the equation x divided by 6 minus 1 equals 2. We first added 1 to both sides to get x divided by 6 equals 3. Then we multiplied both sides by 6 to isolate x, resulting in x equals 18. Therefore, the solution is x equals 18. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.